So today we've decided to go out in nature, get some sunshine early in the morning, listen to those birds. There's music everywhere, by the way. If you go out in nature, you can hear that everything is music. But we are going to use some things that we find in nature to make some music.
Yeah!
Which is very exciting. So we're just going to start collecting some things that we can use as percussion instruments, and then we're going to play some nature percussion. So we're looking for...
We found 1 stone and 4 sticks, but Mummy's going to break that one in half, and we have 2 pine cones that we can use.
Awesome.
Now we're looking for more stones.
Cool. Best if you get completely dry sand, and just put a little bit in this bag. We're going to see if we can make a shaker. Some sand. You can also use leaves or little pebbles or
anything that you can find.
Anything that you can shake. So it's just got to be something really small. Rocks, and you just found another one.
I think maybe it found 2 rocks. Now we need 1 more.
How many do we need altogether?
4. Oh yeah, we have 2 rocks. We need 2 more.
Yes, we do. Awesome. 2 more rocks, and maybe this stick is a good one. Oh, I like these sticks. We'll just see how they all sound. We'll find the best sounding sticks. The idea for this video, where we're switching from one type of instrument to another, is inspired by the Switch game by Arthur Hull. Thanks, Arthur. What we're going to do now is we're going to do an improvisation game. Improvisation, another name for improvisation is jamming. So it's really just making up your own rhythms. So what a lot of people don't know is that we all have rhythm naturally. We're all musical naturally, and it's great to learn an instrument. It's great to develop skills on any instrument, but what's also really great is to just play music, play instruments, and you'll be amazed at what comes out if you don't have any musical training at all. So we're just going to play with rhythm.
Yeah.
And the more you just play and have fun and listen to each other,
the more happy you'll get.
The more happy you'll get, that's definitely true. But also, the better you'll get. The more your rhythms will come into sync with other people. So just trust that we all do have rhythm, and trust that the more you just play and jam and improvise, the more the music will come together. So we're going to start by separating our instrument types. So we have sticks.
Sticky.
We have rocks. We have these little scrapers.
And we also have shakers.
Cool. So, one of the ways that we can start to improvise, if you haven't done it before, is where maybe a grown-up can hold the beat on whatever you're playing, and the child or children can improvise around what you're doing. So it's really important. The most important thing for this is to really listen. So listen to the beat and see if you can play a rhythm in and around that beat. So I'm going to yell out what instrument type we're going to do, and then I'm just going to hold a beat on that instrument type, and Marley's just going to play around with using that instrument type, and you can just play whatever you want, but making sure that you're listening to where the beat is. Okay? So we're going to start with sticks. 1, 2, let's all play. Can you hold them up a bit higher? And we also have to be really careful when playing with sticks or anything that we don't hurt ourselves, so we don't want to play too close to our eyes, and we definitely don't want to be running around with these sticks. That is awesome, Marley. What great rhythms. And I'm going to count us out, and we're going to switch to stones. Ready? So 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Switch to stones, and 1, 2, let's all play. Next we're gonna do scrapers. 4, 3, 2, 1, stop, and let's all play. Oh, I'm supposed to be just holding the pulse. I got carried away. What have we got left? Shakers. So 4, 3, 2, 1, stop, and let's all play. Why don't you tell us what to play? The next instrument. You choose. Rocks? Do you want to count us out? 4, 3, 2, 1, stop, and then we'll say 1, 2, let's all play.
4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
2, let's all play. So I'll do the pulse. I keep forgetting to do that. I keep getting carried away. So I'm doing the pulse and Marley's improvising around the pulse. And how about the next thing we do is play whatever instrument we want.
Yeah.
Okay? Do you want to count out? And then when we count back in, we just play whatever instrument we want. And we can keep switching as much as we want.
Yeah.
So, do you want to count us out?
4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
And get whatever you want. And 1, 2, let's all play. So we're mixing it up. Four, 3, 2, 1, stop, and get what you like. And 1, 2, let's all play. Four, 3, 2, 1, stop, and let's all play. So once you know that you can just both be jamming around the pulse, feel free to do that. Be as free as you want once you're playing in time easily.
On apples.
That's okay. We are in nature, so there are a few creepy crawlies around. Are you a creepy crawly? Yeah, dancing while you're playing is always a good idea. The more joyful you can be, the more happy you can be, the more laughter you have, the better. And how are we going to finish? Maybe we'll finish with a rumble. Do you know what a rumble is? A rumble is when you just play whatever you're playing really, really, really fast. So I'll go 4, 3, 2, 1, rumble. And we just rumble on whatever you want. 4, 3, 2, 1, rumble! And stop. How fun was that?
Fun.
Thanks for watching. See you for our next video.